This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Clash Royale on PC. To begin, you will need an Android emulator, as mobile games run on a different operating system. Emulators like BlueStacks or Nox Player are excellent choices, providing a virtual Android environment on your computer. This allows you to install and run mobile applications just as you would on a smartphone or tablet, giving you access to your favorite games on a larger screen with more precise controls. It's a straightforward process. Next, you'll install your chosen emulator. Visit the official website of BlueStacks or Nox Player and download the installer file. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the simple on-screen prompts. It's crucial to ensure your PC meets the minimum system requirements, typically needing at least 4 GB of RAM and a modern processor for the best performance. This step is quick and sets the foundation for your gaming experience. With your emulator installed, launch it and complete any initial setup, which usually involves signing in with your Google account. This step is essential as it grants you access to the Google Play Store, just like on an Android phone. Once signed in, open the Play Store within the emulator, search for Clash Royale, and click Install. The game will download and install automatically, preparing you for battle. Finally, optimize your experience and start playing. Access the emulator's settings to allocate more resources, perhaps 4 CPU cores and 4 GB of RAM if your system allows. Customize your keyboard and mouse controls for Clash Royale, mapping actions to keys for greater precision than touch controls. Now you're ready to enjoy Clash Royale on a larger screen, with better graphics and more comfortable gameplay, enhancing your strategic battles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.